Today we're going from this to this. Alright, so I want to make this a little video because I see a lot of videos doing steering wheels and some of some hard bodies, but I just wanted to kind of like do my own and show the step-by-step process in order to do it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is removing the original steering wheel and installing the hub. Now the hub is going to be from a 240SX, and I'll leave the products pretty much in the description below so you can check them out. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing first, we got to remove this cover. Not like that, like this. I hope I don't break it. It didn't break, so it's out. Set that aside. Next we'll be removing the 19mm bolt that is holding the steering wheel. Let's take it out. This thing was loose. And don't take it out all the way, just leave it a little bit threaded in, because when you pull it you don't want to hit your face against the steering wheel, because then you're going to have a big boo-boo. Okay? Alright, so let's remove it now. Alright. And now you can remove the whole thing. And whoa, don't look, come on. 19mm. Then remove the steering wheel. Now, before you actually remove everything, I forgot to say, make sure that your steering wheel is like straight. Make sure that everything is straight, the wheels are straight and everything before you remove it out. Very important. Alright, so that's it, and that's what you want. Where you want to take the bolt out. So set that aside. And now we're gonna get the 240SX hub and we'll be installing it. So I have the 240SX hub here. It's an Nrg hub, and there's like a little white dot. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right there. I'll try to zoom it in. There's a little white dot, and just make sure that that white dot is like as straight as possible when you put it in. So, you know, there's gonna be like, you can move it in a little bit, except here, blah blah blah, but just make sure that it's like as straight as possible. You know, just push it up a little bit in there. Then get your nuts. And start torquing it down.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget.
And that's it. Now get the other portion, which is where the quick release attaches to, and it's gonna have wires on the back. Every car is different. On my truck and on hard bodies, the actual horn works. So that's a plug. So just plug it in, you know, and then just make sure it's nice and tucked away. And then we're gonna be grabbing the bolts that are supplied with it, which are this Allen type. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is like this Allen type, and there's 6 bolts, and we'll be installing 6 bolts. Come on. Really? Really, 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 really? I cannot believe it fall right there. Where is it? Please don't tell me it didn't fall on this one. Don't tell me that I have to remove it. Please don't do that. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Okay. That one got lost. We're gonna have to look for it. I found it. And tight them down. The Allen wrench is gonna come included. That I believe it will come included with when you buy the hub. So just use that. I'm gonna using this because stupid me lost it. And tie them down. And that is done. Now we're gonna get the steering wheel and the quick release. I'll be right back. Alright, so with the quick release, you have the wires, the same wires, same type of wires, and then you pretty much wired your horn button for whichever steering wheel you bought. Align the holes, and then if you have to move it and twist it a little bit and get it aligned, you know, and then put your bolts in. In my case, I got from Nrg a pack of black bolts because the steering wheel is black. Steering wheel is just depends on where you get it. I got my stuff, pretty much everything, from a shop here called Next Gen Tuning. Super cool shop. I totally recommend them. So just align the holes and everything and put the bolts in.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading
And tie them in.
my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
And after that, after you get the bolts installed and everything, and then you're pretty much done. And that's pretty much it. And now you have a steering wheel. This is a Momo Carlo steering wheel. You know, if you get whatever steering wheel that you're gonna get through whoever, it's pretty much the same thing. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if anything, shoot me a comment below and just let me know if you need more help or any questions. And that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, follow, and everybody take care and peace out. Oh man, that sounds so good. Oh, baby, sleep. I'm gonna take you in. Baby sleeps with me. Are you crazy? And also one thing that you can do, you can get this steering wheel and yeet!